Hello, hi everyone. This is Veda Krishnamurthy. Welcome to DAFA News. There's a lot of cricket happening, and in Champions Trophy, Afghanistan have made it to the history. They have beaten England now twice in ICC event. They did back in 2023 when they played them in Delhi, and this time around in Lahore, making sure that England does not qualify for semi-final. They've lost two games, and that is quite disappointing if you look at the English team, because they had a fully packed team coming into this tournament, and they'll be very disappointed with how the campaign has gone for them. But for Afghans, I think they've had brilliant day on the ground, having lost 3 wickets straight up for 37 runs. They were under pressure, and it was the youngster Ibrahim Zadran coming in and showing a brilliant innings and showing his class. It was a master class of 177, and it is now the highest score in Champions Trophy history. And he's got support, the captain Shahidi, Azmat, and Nabi coming in the end. And that was rampage of a cricket that they played in the last 10 overs. Especially, it was so good to watch. It was proper one day cricket that we witnessed today. And when it came to the bowling department, they had their moments, but they've made sure that they held their nerves until the last over to get England all out. And it was again Azmatullah Omarzai coming in and picking up that 5-4. Brilliant to watch him. He was the ODI cricketer of the year, if anyone remembers, but he's shown his class again. He's held nerves, picked wickets at the right time. With Joe Root getting 120 was not enough for England to get past Afghan, and they will be having Afghan nightmares for sure coming into the next games. But if you look at it, up until 47th over, I think England were on par to win the game, but it was again the late surge in the end by Omarzai picking up wickets at regular intervals have put England out of the Champions Trophy. It is such a good day for cricket overall. They're no longer the underdogs, if you ask me, and they put themselves in a position where they can actually, qualify for the semi-finals. For more cricketing and sporting information, visit DAFA News.